everyone, and welcome to the Learnify. Today I'm going to introduce you to Joget, a powerful low-code and no-code application development platform. So what is Joget? Joget is a low-code, no-code application development platform. Joget makes it possible to build enterprise web application and automate business workflow without heavy coding. It brings together three major capabilities in one platform. First, process automation. Second, workflow management. And third is app development. This means you don't need separate tool for coding, for workflow automation, and for app management. Joget combines everything in single solution. So why exactly should you consider using Joget? First, it makes app development fast and simple with a drag and drop app builder, form builder, list builder, process builders, etc. You don't need to be a coding expert to create powerful apps. Second, it is integration ready, which means you can easily connect with your databases, APIs, and other third-party systems. Third, Joget is designed for everyone. It's beginner friendly for non-developers and also it's flexible enough for developers who want to extend their functionalities with code. Joget is open source and flexible, backed by supportive committee, and it is truly a cross-platform, so the apps you create can be accessed smoothly on both web and mobile application. Another important feature that it is cloud native and infrastructure agnostic. You can deploy it anywhere like private cloud, public cloud, hybrid environment, or even on premises. And it is designed to scale everywhere, making it suitable for organization of all sizes. Now let's dive into the key features of Joget. First is the fast development, drag and drop functionalities for everything like process, form, reports. Integration ready, it connects smoothly with databases, API. All I already covered these parts. It is cross-platform. It is customizable, means developer can extend functionality with custom plugins and code. It is open source, like it has a strong and growing community worldwide. And Joget provide a role-based access and security feature to manage like users effectively. But along with these trends, Joget has some challenges. Like for complete beginners, it may take some time to understand the concepts. For advanced requirement like coding knowledge in Java or SQL is still necessary. The default UI works well, but may need some extra customization to look more modern and polished. And like some advanced functionalities are only available in the enterprise edition. And while helpful, Joget committee is not as large as the competitors like Power Apps or Mendix. So overall, Joget is a great balance of power and accessibilities, but it is important to be aware of these challenges as well. Who exactly can benefit from Joget? First, business analyst. They can use it to automate the business processings without writing code. Second, developers. Developers can extend the platform by writing custom plugins, adding logic, and building the integration. Enterprises can also use Joget for their digital transformation projects, building app for ERP, HR, finance, procurement, or customer management. And startup can quickly create minimum viable products without investing too much time or cost in traditional software development. So Joget is a platform that serves both business users and technical developers, making it versatile across the industries. Now, you may be asking, why should I invest my time in learning Joget? So there are several reasons. First, there is a high demand for low-code automation skills in today's job market. Second, Joget helps you to save time, cost, and effort in app development compared to the traditional coding. Third, learning Joget can give you a big advantage in career growth, especially if you are interested in digital transformation and automation roles. And lastly, since Joget is a open source, it is free to explore, practice, and learn, making it accessible to everyone. Here on Learnify, I will take you step by step through the Joget ecosystem. We will cover how to set up Joget on your system. This video I've already covered and I will also share the link in the description. How to build forms and workflows with drag and drop tools, how to customize application using plugins and code, real life project examples that you can actually use, and of course, tips and tricks that will be helpful for both beginner and advanced user. So whether you're just starting or already experienced, there will be something here for you. Now, before we wrap up, let me quickly show you Joget in action on my local system. First, you need to create an app. Click on design a new app, and then it will ask you for app ID and app name. You can, I've given it demo for now, and click on save. It will launch the app composer after clicking on save. Disable the hints. And so this is the form builder. Click on plus icon and give the form ID, form name and table name. Remember, you cannot, there should not be space in between in form ID, and click on save. Actually, on any ID, there should not be any spaces. So this is Form Builder in Joget. Here you can build forms by simply dragging and dropping fields like text boxes, check boxes, drop downs, or date pickers, and there are many more fields like password field, text area, file upload, subform. And if you have downloaded the enterprise version, then you will get you will see more options. So when you click on the field on the right side, you can see properties like label, validation rules, or default values. From here, you have to set all the validation and rules that you want for the field. Click on save to save all the changes, and the builder got saved. Then go back to the app composer. This is list builder. Click on plus icon to create a new list. Give it a ID and name, and click on save. It lets you create data views and reports. Here you have to select the source of data. So I'm selecting form data, the form that I recently created, and selected the form and go to design. So it let you create data views and reports from your form or databases. For example, if you have an employee form, it can display all the employee records here in a neat table and add options like filtering, sorting, you can see, and even exporting the data. So this is super useful for reporting and dashboards. You can also style it in desktop, tablet, or mobile view. There are advanced options like tree viewer, X-ray, permission, usages, difference checker, JSON, and screenshot. Click on save to apply all the changes. Now let's go back to again app composer. Now we'll see the process builder. So this is basically the process builder. Click on plus icon to add new process. And here we have process builder, which is used to automate the workflows. You can add as many participants as you want. You can see on the left hand side we have participant, activity, tool, root, subform, start, and end. So click on take drag and drop the start and add the form which you want. You can add tool, activity, and many more options, and you can end that. So for example, now let's go to UI builder. Give your ID and name. which help you to create the overall look and feel of your app. You can design dashboard, navigate menus and user interfaces all without coding. For example, I can add a dashboard page here and link to my form list or processes, so everything is accessible in just one place. If you download the enterprise version, it will give you some more features. Like enterprise version has more features than community version. You can download it for free. Click on save to apply all the changes. Go back to app composer and publish this app. There are settings in UI, like you can set the theme, login page UI, permissions, and click on save if you have applied any. So as you can see, Joget makes it really simple to create complete application forms, workflow reports, and user interfaces all with minimum code. This was just a quick glimpse, but in upcoming videos we'll go deeper into each builder step by step. So let me clear one important point. In my setup video, I showed you how to install the committee version of Joget. Committee edition is free, but it has limited feature. There is also an enterprise edition, which is also free to download and set up in the exact same way. The only difference is that enterprise version comes with more advanced feature and tool compared to the committee version. You can see like from joget.org, you can download for the enterprise edition for Windows or MacBook. I'll provide the download link for enterprise edition in the description, so you can try it yourself step by step, like just like I showed in my setup video. Introduction to Joget. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what Joget is, why it is useful, and how it can benefit you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learnify. Drop your questions in the comment and I'll be happy to answer them. So let's learn Joget together. Thank you so much for watching.